Mr. Martinez, this matter is dismissed.
After a judge vacated Stephen Martinez's murder conviction in the death of 4-year-old Heather Martinez, a reporter asked Denver District Attorney John Walsh a straightforward question.
Was this a wrongful conviction?
Walsh pointed to medical records and expert opinions suggesting the infant died not from abuse, as jurors were told during Martinez's trial, but from a respiratory infection.
Had these challenges to the cause of death been presented at the time of trial, there might have been a different result.
But Walsh did not specifically say whether the 27-plus years Martinez spent behind bars before being released Tuesday amounted to a wrongful conviction. Martinez had admitted to shaking the baby and banging her head on a crib, which defense experts now assert was a false confession. Other experts said the child's skull fracture could have happened in a fall 2 weeks earlier. Now, with the case dismissed, the question is compensation.
There are major hurdles a previously incarcerated person must overcome in order to get compensation under Colorado's exoneration statute.
9 News legal analyst Scott Robinson says to be eligible, Martinez has to show by clear and convincing evidence that he's actually innocent.
And a court or a jury has to determine that there really was a miscarriage of justice and that they had no role at all, entire innocence, as it relates to the crime in question.
The state's judicial department handles requests like this. Once a request is filed, it'll be up to the Colorado Attorney General's office to represent the state. For that reason, a spokesman there told us today nobody could talk to us about Stephen Martinez's case. Denver's district attorney also could not discuss questions about whether he believes Martinez is actually innocent. And the Corey Wise Innocence Project, which worked on Martinez's behalf, could not be reached today. Reporting in the newsroom, Kevin Vaughn, 9 News.
All right, Kevin, thank you. It's not clear how soon Martinez's attorneys could file a request for that compensation under the 2013 law, or once he does, how long it might take to decide the case.